Hello everyone, welcome to Hazel's Homemade. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful bread loaf using a Panasonic bread maker. I bought this bread maker during the lockdown and have been using it ever since. It's so much better than regular shop-bought bread loaf. Today I'm going to make an English tea loaf with Tangzhong method. I ate this English tea loaf in a breakfast buffet in Japan. The taste of English tea in the bread is subtle and nice, and the bread is so fluffy. Tangzhong method is to add a roux to the bread loaf. It helps the bread to carry more moisture and gives the loaf a soft and light texture. Hope you find the video useful and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started.